Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install OpenAI Codex on your machine and implement it to completely automate your coding projects from scaffolding the backend to building the front-end UI, all without you having to write a single line of code. Codex is a powerful AI coding assistant that doesn't just write code for you. It acts as your dedicated AI developer to help you build, refactor, and deploy faster than ever before. If you search for OpenAI Codex in your browser, go ahead and click on the first result titled Codex in ChatGPT. Here is the big update you need to know. Codex is no longer a separate standalone download. It now lives entirely inside the ChatGPT desktop app as a dedicated coding agent. To get started, click the Download for Windows button on that page. You will notice the downloaded file is just the standard ChatGPT installer. Once the .exe file finishes downloading, go ahead and open it. The installer interface will pop up. And we'll just wait a few moments for the installation to wrap up. Once it's successfully installed, the main ChatGPT interface will launch. Click on Continue with ChatGPT. You will need an account for this step. You can either sign up from scratch or just click on Continue with Google and select your email. And there we go. The ChatGPT desktop app is open and ready. Now to switch over and actually start using Codex, look up at the top of your screen. Currently it says ChatGPT, but if you click that drop down, you can simply select Codex. Right away you will notice the interface looks very familiar, almost identical to standard ChatGPT. But here is the game changer. The only difference is that Codex doesn't just help with your code generation, it actually executes the code right here in the app, completely automating your entire workflow. If you look at the chat interface, you will see the model selection menu. We have a few different models to choose from, like 5.6 Terra, 5.6 Luna, and 5.5. Right next to that, you can also adjust the effort level ranging from light to medium, high, and extra high. Finally, the plugin section over here. You can connect third-party tools like GitHub, Canva, and many more. It's perfectly designed to streamline your entire development process and help you manage your project seamlessly. Alright, now let's jump into our new project and actually see this in action. I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to give Codex our prompt. Build a full stack app with Node.js and React for a single API that sends and displays a random motivational code. Once I hit enter, you can see it goes straight into thinking mode. It explains its plan, immediately figuring out it needs React for the frontend and an Express Node.js server for the backend. It's just asking for permission to edit our local files, so we can just go ahead and click allow. Now it's actually creating the files inside the client and server folders. We can easily check the generated files right here in the app. If you click on the Files tab, you can see our client and server folders. Here is our server.js and our app.jsx for the client side. You also have the option to open this workspace in other platforms like VS Code, your File Explorer, or Git Bash. I'll open it up in VS Code to show you. As you can see, both our server side and client side code are perfectly set up here. Back in Codex, it has successfully finished building the app, and let us know we just need to install our dependencies and start the project. So let's head back over to VS Code. First, I'll split my terminal so I can navigate to both the server and client folders. Let's run npm install on both. Now the dependencies are successfully installed. Let's run our backend. You can see the success message, Code API running at port 3001. Now let's fire up our wait client by running npm run dev. We have got our local port. So let's open this up in the browser. And there it is. Our site is open flawlessly, fetching and displaying our motivational quote and the author's name. If we click the new code button, you can see it reaches out to our API and pulls in a brand new code. Everything works perfectly. So that is going to wrap it up for this video. In this video, we successfully installed OpenAI Codex and use it to generate and run a complete full stack application completely from scratch. Thank you guys for watching this video.